Living healthy and happy. Introduction. Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the various types of equipment used in medical diagnosis and treatment. Medical equipment is an essential tool for healthcare providers, and plays a crucial role in accurately diagnosing and treating various medical conditions. So, let's dive in and take a look at some of the most common types of equipment used in healthcare settings. Our first tool is automated external defibrillator or AED. AED device. Have you ever wondered how an automated external defibrillator, or AED, works? Have you ever seen it? If yes, let me know in comments box, where you have seen. Today we're going to discuss the advantages of using an AED, and show you how to use one in case of an emergency. Emergency situation. AEDs are designed to be used in emergency situations to treat sudden cardiac arrest. This is a life-threatening condition that occurs when the heart suddenly stops beating due to an abnormal heart rhythm. Using an AED is simple. First, check the person's responsiveness and breathing. If they are unresponsive and not breathing or only gasping, call emergency services immediately and ask someone to bring an AED. Once you have the AED, turn it on and follow the prompts. Most AEDs will have voice prompts to guide you through the process. Attach the pads to the person's chest as indicated on the AED. If the person has chest hair, you may need to shave the area to ensure proper contact. Once the pads are attached, the AED will analyze the person's heart rhythm and determine if a shock is needed. If a shock is needed, the AED will prompt you to administer the shock by pressing a button. Make sure no one is touching the person when the shock is delivered. After delivering the shock, the AED will prompt you to continue CPR until emergency services arrive. Remember, an AED is designed to be used in conjunction with CPR and emergency medical services. It is a vital tool in saving a person's life during a sudden cardiac arrest. By learning how to use an AED, you can help make a difference in an emergency situation. Always remember to call emergency services first and follow the AED prompts to help save a life. Let's see which a few other tools. X-ray machine. One of the most commonly used pieces of equipment in medical diagnosis is the X-ray machine. This machine uses electromagnetic radiation to produce images of the inside of the body. X-rays are often used to diagnose bone fractures, lung infections, and other conditions that are difficult to detect without imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, machine. Another important diagnostic tool is the magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, machine. MRI machines use a strong magnetic field and radio waves to produce detailed images of the body's internal structures. They are commonly used to diagnose brain and spinal cord injuries, tumors, and other conditions. Ultrasound machine. Ultrasound machines are used to produce images of the body's internal structures using sound waves. These machines are commonly used to monitor fetal development during pregnancy, diagnose heart conditions, and evaluate blood flow. Endoscope. Endoscopes are flexible tubes with a light and camera on the end that are used to examine the inside of the body. They are commonly used to diagnose and treat conditions in the digestive system, respiratory system, and urinary tract. Dialysis machine. Dialysis machines are used to remove waste and excess fluid from the blood in people with kidney failure. These machines are essential for people who are unable to filter their own blood due to damaged kidneys. Ventilator. Ventilators are machines that help people breathe when they cannot do so on their own. They are commonly used in intensive care units to help patients with severe breathing difficulties. Defibrillator. Defibrillators are used to deliver an electric shock to the heart to restore its normal rhythm. These machines are commonly used in emergency situations when someone experiences cardiac arrest. Conclusion. And there you have it, some of the most commonly used types of equipment in medical diagnosis and treatment. Medical technology has come a long way over the years. And these tools are absolutely essential for healthcare providers to accurately diagnose and treat a variety of conditions. We hope you found this video informative and helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Let's know what other equipment you want to learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.